Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we're actually currently on board Liberty of the Seas by Royal Caribbean. We're on a 7-day sailing, and something I want to share with you guys, kind of like one of a pretty important cruise tip, especially if you take tablets, phones, laptops, anything like that with you. You're going to want a power supply. Now, it has to be a non-surge protector power supply. That is something really key to remember when it comes to cruising. No surge protectors whatsoever. They can confiscate it, take it away, and you risk starting a fire. Now, this one I got for this particular cruise here is by OneBeat. It's got 3 regular power plugs in it, and it has 4 USB chargers. Let me get this opened up here for you guys real quick. So you take a look at it there. It said 3 plugs, 4 USB chargers, and it's got a soft braided cord with a little Velcro strap on it. That way you can kind of keep it all together. And I said, this is just a little cruise tip, especially in today's age where everybody's got a cell phone. You might have a laptop, you might have a tablet, you might have cameras, other things that you need to charge. This is going to be the way to go on a cruise ship, especially like this ship we're on right here. There are no USB ports in this room, and there's only 2 120 power outlets, so you definitely have got to have more. At least I do, because I've got a lot to charge. Now, we got this one here at Amazon.com. I'll put a link for it below if you guys are interested in getting one of these. Highly recommend it if you have electronic items that you get this for your cruise. And that's going to be my cruise tip directly from Liberty of the Seas, is don't forget your power supplies and your power cords. All right, hope everybody has a great day. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.